Hi, this is John Harper, Director of Marketing here at Green Home Systems. Thanks so much for speaking with us in the past about the possibility of getting a solar energy system for your home. Wanted to let you know that as a customer of LADWP, having them as your utility company, you have a huge advantage in going solar over other homeowners that may have other utility companies such as Southern California Edison or Pacific Gas and Electric PG&E, because LADWP is one of the few utility companies that offers you 100% credit for any extra energy that your solar energy system would produce that you send back to the grid. That is great because you can utilize those credits for any future months to where your system may underproduce. You can utilize those credits to make up for any underproduction. Now, if you were a customer of Southern California Edison or PG&E, they have recently slashed the credit that they give with new policies they no longer give full credit for any extra energy that is produced, but rather they've slashed it down from 100% down to 30%. So that has happened and what that has caused is those homeowners that are with those utility companies now have to buy expensive batteries in order to get 100% credit, because then they just send their extra production to their battery to where they can utilize that later. And those batteries are very expensive, anywhere from like $12,000 to $15,000 each. Some homes need multiple batteries to do that. So as a customer of LADWP, since you're getting 100% credit for energy you're sending back to the grid, you don't have to buy those expensive batteries. So you can get a much more cost-effective solar energy system, and the financial benefits are much, much greater. So that's a tremendous benefit for you being a customer of LADWP. Here's a blog article that gives a little bit more specifics on your advantages of being an LADWP customer. We'd love to reconnect with you to talk about it a little bit further and get you an updated quote. There's a get a quote button in the blog article you can see in the upper right hand corner, or you can just reconnect with your solar specialist here at Green Home Systems. We'd love to give you some additional information on it. Thanks so much again for working with us in the past, and we look forward to hopefully continue to work for you and putting a solar energy system in your home. Thanks so much.